Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different. It's more about getting sick and the winter time. So if you want to see what I have to say, then just keep watching. Okay, so the flu, the cold, strep throat is all pretty bad this year. A lot of people are going to the hospital because of the flu, things like that. So it is pretty serious this time around. And it's not something you want to just ignore or let go of. So I picked up something from my local drugstore that has always worked for me in the past, and that is a Zicam. If you've never heard of Zicam, Zicam is a cold remedy. It is the pre-cold medicine. What that means is if you are getting the sniffles, if you have kind of a scratchy throat, that is when you would start to say, hey, I think I might be getting a cold, and you pick this guy up. It is the take at the first sign of a cold, the pre-cold medicine. #1 cold shortening brand. Mine is in the Arctic mint flavor, just because I don't really like any other flavor. It reduces the duration of a common cold and reduces severity of cold symptoms, such as sneezing, coughing, sore throat, nasal congestion, and stuffy nose. This is for kids only 12 years or older. This is not supposed to be used for children under 12. And you are supposed to spray 4 times in the mouth at onset symptoms. Spray on the inside of the cheeks, roof of the mouth, and gums. Retain for 15 seconds and swallow. And I actually bought this because I did start to feel some cold symptoms coming along. So this is what she looks like right here. If you can hear that, I'm going to use it right now just to demonstrate. It is just a little spray pump. I'm going to spray it in my mouth 4 times like it said. In the cheeks, on the mouth, and the roof of the mouth. Here we go. And that's when you swallow after 15 seconds. And then you're supposed to repeat that every 3 hours until the signs of a cold symptoms have gone away. Now, I have to say, I did start using this yesterday, and the symptoms I had yesterday are even gone today, which is amazing. I was a little bit sniffly. I had a little bit of soreness in the back of my throat, and I started using this every 3 hours. I woke up today and I don't have a stuffy nose anymore, and the back of my throat is not scratchy at all. So this is $13.95. I think I got it for at CVS. It may range higher depending on where you go or where you buy it from. It's probably available on Amazon as well if you don't feel like going out and you just want to order it. But yeah, I thought this was a really great buy for this year just because all the colds and flus are really bad this year. I do recommend you get a flu shot, but that's not my choice. That is ultimately up to you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Zicam. Please check this out at your local drugstores if you're pretty prone to get sick. One thing you can also do to avoid getting sick is exercise. Exercise and drinking a lot of water really helps your immune system build up immunity to fight off colds and flus. So along with this, you'll be kind of unstoppable with sickness throughout this winter. If you guys have any questions on this at all, I'd be happy to answer them down in the comments below. Remember, this is not used for children under 12. Please subscribe before you leave and turn on notifications for notifying, if I could speak, to be notified for when I post videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!